Hello and welcome to a Blubrry tutorial. Today we are learning about Headliner, which can be used to promote podcast episodes through short, feature-length videos that can be posted on social media. If you have any questions during this tutorial, I encourage you to contact support, who will be happy to help you further. I will walk you through how I use Headliner to create video graphics for my podcast, Internal Affairs. So we start out at the login page and you sign into your Blubrry account, and we're going to go ahead and click sign in. Then it brings us to our Blubrry dashboard. To access Headliner, navigate to the Episodes folder and click Manage Episodes. Then all of the episodes that you've published should be listed. And to get to Headliner, you press the share icon next to one of those podcasts. This brings you to the embed player, which gives you links that you can use to promote your podcast. It shows the podcast which you can play from this window. But to access Headliner, you click the Headliner icon right here under Promote Episode. Awesome. So now that we are officially in Headliner, we will choose the size that we want for our infographic that we're going to post to social media. If you want to post it to Instagram, choose this option because that's best for their platform. Then we're going to press next. Then it's going to bring you to a waveform for your podcast, and you're just going to select whichever one you want to promote your episode. You can play your podcast by clicking this button, and just a reminder that if you are posting on Instagram, to not make your videos longer than 1 minute, otherwise you can't post it normally. But you can change the size based on whatever you want. The best way to promote with Headliner is to choose a section of your podcast that is really enticing to the audience so that they'll want to listen to the rest of it later. And so once you have your section clicked, you just press next. And then we're brought to the final stage, which is called the Customization page. If you don't have an infographic previously created like I do, you can always go to the templates, which show you a range of options that you can use for an infographic, which is always really helpful. And if you want to upload an image, you can either upload straight from Canva, or you can do an upload from your PC. I'm going to do from my PC. And then it gives you the option to delete, crop, replace. I don't want any of those, so you can also add text to your infographic as well, like out now, but again, I don't want that. People can also add progress bars so that the audience can know how far along they are in the clip. And you can choose a waveform if you like. These are just showing you the voice tones over the clip that you chose. You can have a circle, you can have stripe one, you can have it colored, you can change the color if you like. Let's do orange. Perfect. And you can also change the background if you want to any color. Once we're done editing in the customization page, we press create. And then we are brought to two options. We can either open an advanced editor, which can edit captions, add transitions, multiple tracks, watermarks, and more. I can do another video explaining that if you like, but for these purposes, we're just going to press export video now. And it will take a few seconds, but Headliner is a really great way to help keep your podcast relevant within your socials, because not all of the people who follow you on social listen to your podcast, believe it or not. And now that it's ready, we go to the video. It's prepping for download, and it gives us options to either post on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, download, and you can double check and see if it's the right clip. If it kind of went too shallow or too much and it's not where you wanted it, you can always do it again. You may have to start adding the Headliner watermark if you do too many of these in 1 month, so watch that. But yeah, that is how you use Headliner. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, contact me or support, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for choosing Blubrry.